Welcome back to the Hood Rat Trap. Here we talk about how to exit the Hood Rat Trap, stay away from prison, jail, and things that might keep you in the hood rat trapped. You know what I mean? So we talk about finance. This is not financial advice. The generals of the mining sector. The mining sector is where we get our coal, which feeds our energy sector. Where we get our steel, iron. We get our iron, not steel. Our iron, which feeds our steel production. Because steel is alloy. Um, our iron, where we get our diamonds, where we get our oil. Um, the drilling process is basically mining. So it does overlap with a lot of things. Energy would be the anything that happens after the extraction is done. Then there would be energy and overlaps also because remember there's going to be transportation. Let's say you're in an oil field that is offshore in the ocean. You're going to have to transport it somewhere and stuff, pipelines and all that, all this crazy infrastructure. Right now we're talking about mining, the big mining machines, the where you use your skid steers, where you need your bulldozers, your excavators, your dynamite, kablow to blast the granite, or boom to excavate the rock out of the way so you can get your gold seam and follow your gold seam and all of these different machines that you use underground or even dump trucks that you use to transport tons of rubble or tons of ore around your mining site. That's mining. People who wear hard hats. In that sector, it's where we have the resource curse. That's the sector that produces a thing that is known as the resource curse, where the country that taxes it and benefits from its exploitations gets really rich, along with the people who actually do the exploitation, but they spend their money in ways that doesn't diversify their economy, but and in turn gets them addicted to the continued income that comes from the sector. And remember, most of the mining, it's because we want non-renewable resource. That's why we mine for non-renewable resource. It could be rare earth metals, rare earths, or even just lithium, man. It's non-renewable stuff that we mine for. So at some point, your addiction to the income from is going to die away. So there's a lifespan to a mine. If you have um, a gold mine per se. What you want from your gold mine is to keep extracting a profitable amount of ore year in, year out for as long as possible. If you have maybe a coal mine, what you want right now for your coal mine is to exploit it to its fullest capacity in order to make sure that you can um, catch up or be done with your mining by the time, let's say, they shut down most of our coal